Now let's delve into this. If x equals 1 plus root 5 on 2, let's find x raised to 12. Okay, all right. Now, before we will start, okay, let's understand that x to the power 12 can be written as x to the power 6 times x to the power 6. Now, 6 by 6 is 12, or x to the power 8 times x to the power 4, or x to the power 12 is the same as x to the power 10 times x to the power 2, or x to the power 12 is the same as x to the power 11 times x to the power 1. So we have so many ways of expressing this one, okay? So what we are going to do, so let me use ETC. We have many more, okay? What we are going to do here is to start by finding x squared, okay? Then we will square it again to get x to the power 4 in that order. So we will continue to square till we get to x to the power 12. So from here, I'll make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. So 2 times x is 2x, okay, equals to 1 times, so 1 plus 5. Now let me send the x to the left hand side. That will be 2x minus 1 equals to 5. So let's square both sides. So 2x minus 1 root 5. So we have 4x squared. So 2 times that minus 4x plus 1 equals to, so this one will cancel, 5. So let's arrange it. That will be 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 5. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Let's confirm it here. So now this side will be 4x squared minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So you can divide 2 by 4, okay, over 4, that will be x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now remember, our focus is x to the power 12, okay? So what we are going to do here is to make x squared a subject. That will be x squared equals to x plus 1. So let's keep this one here. Okay, so we have x squared now. Now let's go again as we square both sides since our target is not met. So we have x squared all squared equal to x plus 1 squared. So this side is the power 4 x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now we can do substitution here. So x to the power 4, we know x squared is x plus 1. So x plus 1, this, plus 2x plus 1. X to the power 4, so 3x plus 2. So let's call this one equation 2. Now we have x to the power 4 here and x squared. Remember, if I combined x squared and x to the power 4, it won't reach our target. That will be 6, okay? So we need to go again as we square this. So we have x to the power 4, x to the power 4 equals to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. So let's square both sides. So this side is x to the power 8, 4 to 8. So we have 9x squared, 2, 3, 6, 6 to 12, 12x plus 4. So x to the power 8, because so we know x squared, okay? X squared is x plus 1. It's here. X squared is x plus 1. So that would be 9 times x plus 1 plus 12x plus 4. X to the power 8 will be 9x plus 9 plus 12x plus 4. X to the power 8. So 9 plus 12 will be 21. X plus 13. So we have this, okay? Now remember, if we combine x to the power 8 and x to the power 4, it will be x to the power 12. So x to the power 12. So now that we have x to the power 8 times x to the power 4, look, x to the power 4 is here, okay? And x to the power 8, so this side will be x to the power 12, okay? So I'm going to combine the two, x to the power 8 times x to the power 4. So 21x plus 3 is x to the power 8 times, so x to the power 4, 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. So we have x to the power 12. 21 times 3 will be 63x squared plus 42x. 3 times you have 9x plus 6 x to the power 12. So x squared is known, x plus 1. So 63 x plus 1 plus 42 x plus 9x plus 6. Okay, so x to the power 12, 63x plus 63 plus 42x plus 9x plus 6. So this side will be 51. 51 plus 63, 4. So 114x. So x to the power 12, 114x, 114x, okay, plus this. Let's check again. This time that 3. Okay, so 63 plus 6 will be 69 plus 69. Okay, that's that. So x to the power 12 is this, as simple as that. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Alright.